Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the quantity and value of inventory in QuickBooks. This is an essential skill for effectively managing your bookkeeping and ensuring your records align perfectly with your actual inventory. We'll take you through each step so you can handle this task with confidence. To kick things off, ensure you're signed into your QuickBooks account. On the main page, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the Sign In option. Click on this to proceed. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be faced with an option to choose the version of QuickBooks you're using today. Select QuickBooks Online. Now that you've chosen QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your credentials. Simply type in your username and password, then hit Continue. This will grant you access to your QuickBooks Online dashboard, which is the control center for all your accounting tasks. Next, navigate to the left-hand navigation bar and locate the Create button. It's usually prominently located, making it easy to create new entries or make adjustments. Click on New, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, direct your attention to the Other section. You'll find an option labeled Inventory Quantity Adjustment. Clicking on this will take you to the next step, where we will make necessary adjustments to your inventory records. Once you're on the Inventory Quantity Adjustment page, it's time to start making specific adjustments. First, you'll add the product that requires an update. Look for the field where you can input the product information. This might involve selecting from a list or typing the name manually. After selecting the product, you'll need to type in the quantity adjustment. This involves specifying the number to be added or subtracted from the current inventory levels. Make sure the number accurately reflects the change you're recording, whether it's due to an error correction, loss, or another reason. Once both your product and quantity adjustments are correctly entered, the final step is to save your work. Before you finish, verify that all details entered are correct. Ensuring no inadvertent errors slip through once satisfied, click on Save and Close. This operation will officially update your QuickBooks inventory records, aligning them with your physical inventory. Congratulations, you've successfully adjusted your inventory in QuickBooks Online. Keeping accurate inventory records is vital for financial accuracy and operational efficiency. Regularly checking and updating your inventory can prevent discrepancies that may lead to larger issues down the line. As you continue to make adjustments, these steps will become second nature, making your inventory management simple and effective. Thanks for watching, and see you next time with more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Happy bookkeeping!